Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be unboxing a piece of wireless earphone, and it's this. It's actually from Creative. It's called the Outlier version 3, right? It's a true wireless sweat-proof in-ear with ambient mode. So over here it says it has the Creative app. So this is it actually allows you to set up your product, customize playback control, personalize audio settings, enhance product performance, and more. You can also customize the buttons, adjust noise control level. Oh, that's nice. So it has ambient and active noise cancellation mode. You can modify the audio with the graphical EQ. Nice. You can have software updates, product registration, and more. So what you get in the box, you have the earbuds, the charging case, the different sizes of the silicon seal, charging cable that's about 30 cm long, and then you have some quick start guide at the back, ambient mode, active noise cancellation, 40 hours of total playtime, 10 hours per charge. That's pretty long. This is Bluetooth 5.2, it supports AAC, it has quad microphones, wireless charging, nice, bio-cellulose drivers, touch control, IPX5 waterproof and sweatproof rated, works with Siri, Google Assistant. Okay, so there's an asterisk here on the playtime. See here, there's an up arrow, and say that this is actually measured with ambient mode and active ANC. Okay, active noise reduction mode turned off. Actual battery may vary on usage and settings. Bottom, a lot of logos. Not too sure what they really meant. Top. Okay, so the sticker here is complies with IMDA standards. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay, there's a sticker tab here, so let's cut it out. Alright, so over here, this is the same text as what we saw on the outside here at the bottom, but just in a different color. Now it's in orange. And here it says, charge me first. Charge both earbuds and the case first. Make sure the earbuds are placed firmly. And then they start glowing red before we close the case. And then there's a first time pairing, step 1, step 2, step 3. Next, I like the presentation. Very, very nice, you see here. Very slick. Alright, you have the earbuds here at the top and then the casing at the bottom. Let's take out the casing, shall we? At the bottom here. So this is, I'm not sure you can see the color correctly, but it looks a bit like green to me. Like it's a very metallic grayish green. Very nice actually. It's a very nice color. Right, then the Creative logo is here. The bottom here is black. This is probably for the wireless charging. I mean, I can test it out later. Right, then here, Super X5 ready. Over here you have 3 LED dots. Right, left, and in the middle, I think that's for this is for the charging case. This is for the right, and then the USB-C port. Okay, that's way. But this also goes away. Okay, so I think easy can push out the back. Okay, push it out and it will come sliding out. Okay, so this is the cradle for the left and right earbuds. You can see a pogo pin in the middle, right? Okay, so let's take out the earbuds here from the case. Take out the right side, and then you can have a closer look at the earbuds. Yeah, it follows the same color as the casing. It's a bit like grayish green. Very nice tone. I love it. Right, you can see from here it's pretty thick. Okay, and then this is the Creative logo. Oops, upside down. The Creative logo. There's a slit at the top here. I'm not too sure what is it for. Very pretty big slit. Top and bottom. Yeah, there's one top, one at the bottom. And then there's one dot here. Probably these are all used for like the active noise reduction. Right, the ear tip with the silicon seal. It's pretty long actually. You can see from it's pretty long. Right, oh, activated. Nice disco light, red and blue. Okay, right, let's put it in the box and see what happens. Oh, so it starts to glow red. Okay, let's take out the left side as well. And let's put it in. So both are start to glow. And let's see here. Right, so all three lights are light up. Left, solid red. Right, solid red. In the middle is like a green color. So let's see what happens when we plug in the charging cable. So over here I have a USB-C cable. Because it says you need to charge them first, right? Before you use it. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in. And instantly you can see that the middle light changed from green to red, and they are all starting to like blink. Right, so all these are blinking red. So according to the instruction, it says make sure that they're all red, right, before we close the case. Okay, so let's close the case. Let it continue to charge, and then we see what happens when they are actually fully charged. Right, so while the earbuds are actually in the case are actually charging, let's see what else are in the box. Let's see, this one can we pull out? Nothing. It's a plastic cover. And okay, there's some things here. This is actually a USB-C charging cable. I think it's USB-A to USB-C. There's additional silicone seals. This one is a silica gel, don't eat it. Here is a quick start guide. This one is a safety and regulatory information. 请先阅读. Behind, I saw it, it says read me first. Thank you and congratulations on embracing, let's zoom in. Right, thank you and congratulations for embracing the magic of Super X5. Here's a simple setup guide to the headphone holography. Okay, so step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. Okay, we'll read through this once the headphones are actually, once the earbuds are fully charged. All right. Okay, I'll catch you back in a bit. Alright guys, so the V3 is actually fully charged. You can see here all the three lights have actually changed to green color. And I have with me here is actually my Android phone, which is the Oppo Reno. And so in this segment, I'm actually going to be showing you how to actually connect the V3 to an Android phone. So first thing first, of course, we go into the Bluetooth part. The first thing we're going to try out is let's pop out the earbuds and see if it has actually fast pairing. So let's push from the back. Let's open it up. So it doesn't really have fast pairing. Let's try again. Nope, no fast pairing. Okay, so let's take out the earbuds from the casing. Let's just refresh. And of course, you see Outlander 3. Tap on it. Says pair. Okay, that's cool. Right, so it's actually paired. And let's go in. Contact sharing. And it has actually an additional option to actually utilize high quality audio. As you saw earlier on the case, on the packaging, it says it actually supports AAC. So when it activated, it supports AAC. Deactivated, SBC. AAC, SBC. So let's see what happens when you put the earbuds back into the case. It's disconnected immediately. Let's close the case. Wait a couple of seconds. Let's push them out. Let's take out the earbuds. And it's reconnected immediately once you take the earbud out from the case. That's very good. Alright. Okay fellas, so I think this is the very first time, some of you, I think most of you, very first time you're seeing this device I have here. It's like a human ear. I don't want to damage my ears by blasting the earbuds to 100% every time. You know, I don't want to go deaf before I reach 40. Right, so I got this. I haven't given it any name, so those of you who want, do let me know what kind of nickname you want to give this device here, alright, because it's going to help me to do a lot of listening, alright. Alright, so now that the earbuds are actually in place, what I need to do right now at this moment is actually with this lavalier mic, Alright, I will actually move the lavalier mic from the right to the left, okay, to the left, and that is actually to record whether there's any sound leak. So the first song is currently at 50% audio. I'm going to be moving it starting from the right side first. Okay, so it's currently at 50% volume. Do let me know if you hear any audio picked up by the microphone. This is on the right side. And now I'm actually going to move it on to the left side. Alright, so do let me know if you hear any audio leaked. It's currently at 50%. Okay. At 50%. Alright, so I'm gonna up the volume now, maybe to like 60%. It's currently at 60%. So it's on the left side. Do let me know if you hear any audio leaks. Right, this is on the left side. Now I'm gonna move it on to the right side. Okay, this is on the right side at 60% volume. To let me know if you hear any audio leak. Now upping it to 70%. Right, now it's on the right side, 70%. Do let me know if you hear any audio leaks. Because over here right now, I'm actually starting to hear some audio leaks. Right, this is on the right side. I'm going to move it over to the left side. Right, this is on the left side. Do let me know if you hear any audio leaks on the left side at 70% volume. Now I'm going to up it to 80%. This is 80%. Right. This is on the left side, 80%. Now moving on to the right side. This is on the right side, 80%. Now I'm going to up it to 90%. This is 90%. Right side. Next, I'll move it to the left side. This is left side, 90%. Oh, I'm starting to hear a lot of sound leak right now. It's pretty obvious. Now I'm going to up it to 100%. Right, so this is 100% left side. Move it to the right side. This is right side, 100%. Guys, so this has actually been my unboxing and an initial sound test of the Creative Outlander version 3 ANC wireless earbuds. If you wish to see a full review, do smash the like button and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss this out. Till next time, bye bye.